Hello, friends, colleagues. Please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. There is a delay approximately 10 seconds, give or take, so I will wait your answers. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Seems like everything works fine. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander. I am Stripo support manager. Secondly, I would like to say a couple of words about our company. Our company registered in the USA, but the whole our team located in Ukraine. We have been working on Stripo editor since 2017, and our team has ambition to create the best email builder in the world. And we always open to different suggestions, proposals. So if you have any suggestions that can help us improve our editor, please write to us by this chat that you can find here, or please write to us by email, stripo.email, this email. I also will add this email to the chat. Okay. Thirdly, I would like to describe a bit how the webinar will go. Today we will discuss just very general preferences of a Stripo account and very basic preferences. I'm not going to dive deep in all possibility of our editor. So if you don't mind, let's get started. To get to preferences of a Stripo account, you should click by this icon at the right top corner of your screen. In the profile menu, sorry, I also forgot to mention that in the process of webinar, you can write your questions to this chat on YouTube, and members of our team will be answering them. Also, between blocks of this webinar, I will try to ask them as well. So let's move on. Okay, in the profile menu, you can designate and change your name, your last name, your registration email. You can always change it here. You can designate a language of your account from a list of these languages, and you can change your password via this section. My organization menu is just a big dashboard that you can use to see general condition of your account. You can see how much emails, templates have been created in your account. You can see general condition of your prepaid features like time reviews, invited users, email clients test. To involve this feature, you should click by the corresponding controls here. Also, I would like to bring your attention that all our emails saves automatically in the process when you edit them. So let me create a new email and show you. So when you apply any change to an email, you will see this icon here, and this icon will show you that email is saving. So if you don't want to use this feature, you can deactivate it here. Also, please be advised that all images that you will upload to our editor will be stored at our server. But we have three other options which you could use if you want to designate your own storage for images: Amazon Bucket, Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and you can configure own server. You can find here instructions that you can use for it. In the users menu, you can invite other users to your account that will have access to your emails, templates, will able to create, edit, move, remove them. To do it, you should click by this green invite user button and designate role for user that will be invited. The description of these roles and rights for these roles you can find in this by this link in this section. Also, if you want to remove any user from this list, you can use this trash bin icon. In the project menu, you can configure some preferences of your project to simplify the process of email creation. All social networks blocks will be added to an email correspondingly to these preferences. So if you will add, let me show you this way. Also, you can configure your own merge tag and special links via the corresponding sections. You can designate fonts that you will use. We will back to these preferences when we move to edit mode. So I'm just showing you just in basic. In the billing menu, you can see condition of your subscription. You can change your payment method here. You can remove your subscription if you are no longer going to use Stripo, and you can download your bills via this icon. Let me show you. This data here will be shown correspondingly to these preferences. Let me check if there is a questions. Closed captions, live card captions. Cindy, could you clarify your question and maybe show what design would you like to get via a screenshot or something? Okay, I see that members of our team have already answered it, so let me move on, if you don't mind. After preferences, I propose to move to your account where you get right after authorization. So here you can create emails, you can copy them, move them, delete them, you can create folders and move your emails between these folders this way. What else important to note? If you will have a lot of emails and templates in your account, you can use this area to this field to search through emails. You can expand folders to see their content. Also, I would like to bring your attention that via this link to YouTube channel and this link to our blog, you can get to them and find a lot of interesting and useful videos and articles that describe the work of our editor. What else important to notice? Via this link you can get to our help center and find articles that we constantly where we constantly add new articles. Via this button you can move to other project in the case if you're going to use agency price plan and if you will have a few projects. So let's move to edit mode. First of all, let me say a couple of words about a general HTML structure of a Stripo email. At the top of HTML hierarchy, located stripes. So all your emails and templates can have unlimited number of stripes. To add a new stripe, you should click by this button here. For each stripe, you can designate one from 4 types: header, content, footer, info area. And this way, for each type of stripe, will be applied own preferences. Each stripe can contain unlimited number of structures. To add a new structure, you should just use this section and via drag and drop just put it to the necessary area. Each stripe can contain up to 8 containers within. You can add them this way, or you can remove them if click by this trash bin icon. Also, you can move different elements of an email this way via this slide aside menu. Also, you can copy them. Just in one click, you can remove them this way. Each container can contain unlimited number of blocks. So you can add images, text, buttons, social media blocks to the same container. And also important to note that each element of an email you can hide for mobile or desktop version. And this way you can create a separate design for mobile or desktop. Let me show you. So let's hide this stripe for desktop and this one for mobile. And in the preview mode, we will see that we have different designs for different versions. Okay, let me remove these elements. I propose to move to the appearance menu. To get there, you should click by this tab. Here you can designate general width of your email. Let me turn off this preference. You can designate paddings for all new structures that will be added to an email. So if we set it this way, all new structures will have 30 paddings from each side. Also, you can change all this preference after a structure or other element of an email will be added. These preferences just help you to simplify this process. Also important to note that all our emails are responsive by default. If you want to have just desktop version for mobile devices too, you should deactivate this toggle. For each stripe, you can designate on text sizes, other preferences, so I think it goes without saying, and I'm not going to dive deep in all these preferences. You can use a few types of a text in our editor to designate different type of a text. To designate it as a heading, you can use this top panel. And for all this text, you can designate on font size in pixels via this headings section in the appearance menu. Buttons. If you want, you can use just usual buttons, but in a case if you want to get hover effect in the process of hovering a mouse over a button, you should activate this control, designate a color, and it will work this way. So let me show another option. Or you can deactivate this control if you are not going to use it. Please be advised that if you want to improve displaying of your buttons in Outlook services, you should involve this control. And also important to note that this control can increase the size of your total size of your email. So in the case if your recipients use Outlook, or if you're going to use Outlook as a sender, please use this feature. Mobile view. Please pay attention that this is the only one menu that you can use to change font sizes for your mobile version. So let me show you. For example, we have heading 1 here. And if we change it, let's say to a very small one, we will get different from a desktop design on on a mobile device. Sorry, let me sip a bit of water. Okay. I think this is it about appearance menu, and we can move to content menu. As we have seen before, we can add structures just via drag and drop. Let's discuss blocks section. Today we will discuss just 10 basic blocks of Stripo editor. We won't dive deep in the work of this block, carousel and accordion, because it's a big theme, and I think it's a theme for extra webinar. So let's begin from image. Via image block, you can upload to your email own images. To do so, you should click by this section. Also, you can add an image as a link to an external services here, and leave it as an external link. All images that you will upload to the email section will be accessible only in a frame of an email. But if you want to get access to them from different emails and templates, you should upload them to a project menu, and you will able to add them to an email and templates all around your project. Okay, let me. Also, via the common and stock sections, you can upload to an email images from Internet Bank and from our bank of images that have been prepared by our designers. Or you can use search request to find something, let's say summer, and use these images. What also I would like to pay your attention that for each link you can designate a link. You can use just a typical link, or you can use one of special links that will open email clients on devices of users. Please be advised that such type of links as mail to Skype, Tel, SMS won't work on all possible email clients. And also you can add special links for text, for images, for buttons via this menu. Let me show you. So, for example, if you're going to use campaign monitor for sending, you can use just our pre-built links and designate your link, for instance, Stripe or view and browser. If you're going to use service that not listed in our list of special links, you can use custom links and add your links here. And as you can see, unsubscribe. Let me add one more link to show you. And after it, you will have access to this link in the edit mode. So here it is. Okay, also important to note that all images can be responsible or not responsive on mobile devices. So if this control activated, all images will adapt to mobile devices. If you want to get other design, you should deactivate this control. Okay, let's move on and move to a text block. Via the text block, you can add the text, of course, to an email. I would like to bring your attention that via this top panel, you can change font sizes for them. You can change fonts in accordance with preferences in your that have been designated in your projects here. So you will see the list of these fonts correspondingly to these preferences. Also, you have possibility to add own font to our editor via this button. To create a text link, you should highlight a text, click by this change link button and add here a link this way that you need. Merge text will work the same way as special links correspondingly to these preferences in the project menu. And via this menu, you can add a table to your emails and add content. Okay, let me remove these blocks. A button block. As we already have seen, we can designate links and other parameters that we already faced in other blocks. So I'm not going to dive deep in all these preferences. Also important to note that you can change internal and external paddings for buttons this way. And you can add an icon to a button this way and change the size of it. So this way your button will contain not the only text but also an image. Spacer block can be used to create elements of design as a line, different sizes and colors, and can be used for vertical line, different element of an email. Return previous preferences. So let me show. For example, if we want to vertical align this element, we can use the spacer block, set it as a dynamic, and stretch as we need. A video block just allows you to add a link to your video on YouTube or Vimeo. You can upload it here. Thumbnail will be added automatically. But in the case if you want to change your thumbnail, you can use this control. Social networks. Let me show you. We have 3 social media blocks at the bottom. To add social networks, you should click by this button add icon, choose the necessary social network, and designate your link for each of them. You can choose design for these icons from our list of pre-built designs. And if you want to use your custom design, you should use this option and upload your images to our editor the same way as you can upload images to image block. Banner block can be used to create an image with the text over it. So let me show you. For example, we have an image and we want to add a text over it. We should click by this button, put focus over an image and add the text. So we can move, we can change sizes, etc. After we will put the focus of our mouse to other element, this block will be saved and you will have just an image in your email that will be accessible for your recipients. Timer block can be used to create special marketing proposals. It's just a countdown timer that will work correspondingly with these preferences. So you can designate expiration date here, time, and other preferences. So let me show you. In advanced settings, you will have a lot of different preferences for each element of this block. Menu block. It's just a block that combines a few links together. Okay, I already removed the menu block from the top of this email. So it will look this way. You can create a section that will contain a few links, for example, about us, contacts, etc. And you can designate for each link the necessary parameters here. Of course, you can change font colors, etc. HTML block can be used to add your own custom code. In the case if you going to create entirely custom design, in the case if you haven't found appropriate block for your design, you can use this block and add your own HTML and CSS code to these sections. Also, you can always move to the edit mode via this button at the top of your screen. Models. You can save stripes, structures, containers as models. To do so, you should just click by this button. Let me show you. Let's give it a name, my test module. Save it. And after it, we will able to add this module to different areas of an email via just drag and drop this way. So this way you can simplify the process of creation similar elements. Also, you can find pre-built modules that have been created by our designers, different footers, pre-headers, etc. just in our library of modules. Okay, I think this is it about this content section, and we can move to the top panel. Via this panel, you can back to your account and choose other email or template. You can change placement of the settings panel to the left, to the right, or you can hide in the case if you want to see how your email will look like. You can change the name of your email. You can save your email manually this way. Also, you can save your email as a new one, and this way create a new email. Export button, it's important button. Via this button you can export emails and templates to different email services. We have a list of services with which we have a direct possibility of direct export. In the case if you haven't found the necessary use service, you can export your email as an HTML file, open it via any text editor, and copy paste it, the code out of there to your email service for further sentence. Via undo redo buttons, you can undo or redo changes. Via history of changes button, you can look through all changes that have been applied to your email and restore old version, or you can restore old version as a new one, and this way you will have new design and your old design of your email. So you can find all these preferences, all these old versions. Settings button. Via this button you can designate subject of your email. You can designate hidden pre-header here. And also, if you're going to use UTM parameters, this is a feature powered by Google and also Google promotional annotation. You can engage these controls. In the preview mode, you can see how your email will look like. Via the test button, you can send your email to your email address to see how it will look, or you can use a few emails and use comma to separate them and to send test email in a few email addresses simultaneously. Via this run email test button, you can check how your email will look like on the different devices. A list of these devices you can find here, and you can designate the necessary devices that will be involved in this test. Please be advised that this feature paid, and to buy it you should click by this control. Okay, I think this is it about basic preferences and features. So let me check if you have any questions and answer it. Okay, as far as I can see, we answered all your questions. Please let us know if you have any other questions yet. Also, I would like to describe a bit our next webinar. So the next time I'm going to create just a simple email, and if you have any ideas which email it should be, please write to our support at let me type it here one more time. Also, you can find this email in our chat. So please write to us. We will consider all your suggestions, and we will choose which email we should create, just to show you how you can create email from scratch. I see a question, do you connect with Automizi? No, unfortunately, we haven't possibility export to this service, so you can check it yourself. So I propose you to try to export your email as an HTML file, open it and copy paste the code out of there to this service, if the service, of course, supports such a way of code import. Also, you can try to use this option, download as an archive, but please be advised that most of email services use just HTML files and code, but not archive. Is it possible to have a JPEG as a background instead of as a solid color? Sure, it's possible. Thank you for the question. You can, if you want, you can designate a background for the whole email here via this control, or you can create backgrounds for different elements of an email. For example, for structures, for containers, for stripes. You can do it here this way. Okay, I don't see more questions. As I said before, let me repeat. If any questions will appear in the process of email creation, or if you face any difficulties, please write to us by this chat. Unfortunately, we haven't 24/7 support yet, but we will answer you as soon as possible, and please write to us support at Stripo email. We will also answer you. Can you show how the loops in templates? Ashwin, thank you for the question, but could you clarify, could you provide more information? Could you show on a screenshot how it should look like? Is there data input for personalization? Asks Regina. Yes, mostly email services just use merge tags for personalizations. So, for example, if you activate, just to show you, for example, MailChimp preferences, we will be able to personalize our email correspondingly to algorithm of this server. And if you want, let's say, address to our user, we can use the corresponding merge tag here, So for example, MailChimp use first name merge tag, and after you will export an email to this service, and in the process of sending, this service automatically will change this merge tag to the name of your recipient, correspondingly with your database in this service. I hope I answered your question. I see the question. Can you repeat your question? Sorry, I don't know what you mean. Please clarify. Regina writes that she meant for branding. Is there a data input method for personalization for branding? Please clarify, maybe you meant something else. Peter DeVriet writes, when you put in an email subject, how does that work when exporting to ActiveCampaign? As when I edit an email from Stripo and ActiveCampaign, it shows blank fields for the subject and pre-header. I can say you for sure, Peter, because I don't know how it exactly will work in this service. So I should best way to know it, it just tested. But mostly email services don't support all our preferences, and most probably you will have a possibility to edit all this subject, pre-headers, etc. just in HTML mode. So let me show, for example, my subject for ActiveCampaign. Oh, sorry. So let me designate it, and you will see that this code have been added to the code of on email. So most probably you will have access to subject and pre-header just in HTML mode. Sorry guys, unfortunately we weren't able to answer all your questions, so let's do a few minutes more, and if you still have questions, please, as I said before, please write to our support Stripe email or to our chat. Regina writes again, that's okay, inputs for merge codes on ESP are fine too. Okay, I hope it was helpful. Brian, how do you create an AMP email? So this is a big theme that we didn't touch today. To create AMP emails, we have these two blocks, accordion and carousel. So just in general, it works this way. You should add images for carousel block. Let me add one more. And your recipients will be able to just slide these images this way. Please be advised that most of email services don't support AMP emails. And they will see, your recipients will see just HTML version of an email without carousel and accordion block. accordion block is just a drop-down menu. You can add different content here, like images, text, buttons, and it will work this way. So by the click, it will drop down. Jose writes, is there a way to prevent the color inverting when viewing the email in dark mode Gmail? Most probably no, unfortunately. You can't prevent it, as email services use important inline styles in dark modes that overlap all other styles of an email. And I don't think that we can affect it at the moment. So our designers work to change the situation, but at the moment we haven't general recipe that you can use to correct and or change the situation. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your questions. Please write to us if you have any suggestions or questions. Have a good day or night. See you next webinar.